1%. Ready to stop living paycheck to paycheck? Let's begin. Wealth starts with mindset. The rich see money as a tool, not just something to spend. Every dollar gets a job, either to grow wealth or protect it. Most people ask, what can I buy? The wealthy ask, will this make me wealthier? This simple shift changes everything. The rich pay themselves first, automatically saving and investing before spending. Their savings rate is non-negotiable, regardless of income. They build their lifestyle around what's left after investing in their future. It's not about deprivation, but prioritizing freedom over fleeting wants. Think of every dollar as a seed. Spend it now, it's gone. Invest it, and it grows. The wealthy are always planting seeds for tomorrow. See yourself as the CEO of You Inc. Every financial decision is strategic. Ask, will this expense grow my net worth? For the next week, before every purchase, ask, will this make me wealthier? You'll be surprised how quickly your habits change. This is the first leap toward thinking and living like the 1%. Adopt this mindset and you're already ahead. Let's move to the next step. Mindset is step one. Now let's get practical with the 3-bucket system. Every dollar you earn goes into one of 3 buckets: essentials, growth, or freedom. Essentials bucket covers rent, bills, groceries, your core living expenses. Keep it lean, not miserable. Growth bucket. This is your wealth engine. Invest here: stocks, retirement accounts, real estate, or your own skills. The wealthy invest in themselves as much as in assets. Freedom bucket. Your safety net and guilt-free spending. Build your emergency fund here, then use it for fun without guilt. This system balances security, growth, and enjoyment. Calculate your essentials, set a percentage for growth, and automate transfers. The rest is for freedom. Enjoy it because you've earned it. The 3 buckets turn good intentions into real wealth. Define your buckets, automate your transfers, and watch your money work for you. This structure is the backbone of financial success. Don't just save, systematize. The wealthy don't leave money management to chance. Start today, set up your buckets and automate. This is how fortunes are built, 1 bucket at a time. Ready for the next rule? Let's talk about assets. Onward. Here's the game changer. The rich buy assets, not just stuff. Most people spend on things that lose value: cars, gadgets, clothes. The wealthy focus on assets, things that put money in their pocket. A new phone? Liability. Shares in an index fund? Asset. The difference is simple. Liabilities drain you, assets pay you. The rich minimize liabilities and collect assets that grow and generate income. Think rental properties, stocks, online businesses, or digital products. Passive income is the goal. Money that comes in with little effort. When your assets pay your bills, you're financially free. Before any big purchase, ask, is this an asset or a liability? Use your growth bucket to buy assets relentlessly. Start small. Invest in a fund, create a digital product, or buy a book that increases your earning power. Over time, your asset portfolio becomes your financial fortress. The wealthy don't fill their lives with stuff. They build streams of income. Focus on ownership, not consumption. That's the real secret of the 1%. Next, let's multiply those income streams. Here's how. Most people rely on a single income, usually their job. That's risky. The wealthy build multiple streams of income, like a sturdy table with many legs. If one stream dries up, others keep them stable. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. Start with your job, then add investment income, dividends, interest, or rental cash flow. Next, try a side hustle, freelance tutoring, or selling a skill online. Build a small business or create digital products for passive income. Affiliate marketing or a YouTube channel can be additional streams. Don't build all at once. Add one, stabilize it, then move to the next. Even an extra $200 a month is a new stream. Over time, your job becomes just one of many sources. The goal, make your income resilient and scalable. Brainstorm your first new stream and take action this week. The more streams you have, the faster you build wealth. Don't wait for the perfect idea. Start small and grow. This is how the 1% protect and multiply their wealth. Next, let's talk about the power of patience. Delayed gratification is up next. We live in an instant gratification world. Everything is one click away. But the wealthy master delayed gratification, sacrificing now for greater reward rewards later. It's not about being cheap, it's about being strategic. The rich don't buy to impress, they buy to progress. When they get a windfall, they invest it, not spend it. Every small choice, packing lunch, driving an older car, compounds into massive wealth over time. Delayed gratification is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. Eventually, the wealthy can afford luxuries without stress because their assets pay for them. Next time you want to splurge, pause, ask, does this help my long-term goals? It's not about saying no to yourself, it's about saying yes to your future. Master this, and you unlock the true power of wealth building. The 1% play the long game and win. Practice patience, and your future self will thank you. Now let's make wealth building automatic. Automation and education are the final keys. Here's how to lock in your success. Let's finish strong. Don't rely on willpower, they build systems. Automate your finances, set up automatic transfers to your savings and investment accounts. Pay yourself first, every paycheck, without thinking. Automate investments too, recurring deposits into index funds or ETFs. This removes emotion and ensures you're always building wealth. Even on your worst days, your system works for you. The second key, never stop learning. The rich are lifelong students, reading, listening, and investing in their knowledge. Education is the highest return investment you can make. Read books, listen to podcasts, take courses, keep your skills sharp. The financial world changes. Stay ahead by learning. Make education a habit, not a one-time event. Your brain is your best asset. Invest in it. Action steps. Automate your transfers today and pick one new thing to learn this month. Systems and knowledge make wealth inevitable. This is how you join the 1%. Let's wrap up. Learn the mindset, systems, and strategies of the 1%. It's not magic, it's action. Pick one strategy and start this week. Small, consistent habits create massive results. Wealth is about freedom, options, and living on your terms. You have the power to change your financial destiny. Starting now, like, share, and subscribe for more life-changing tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.